Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our stock market review after another crazy and insane day. Big fight between bulls and bears on the both sides. We saw at the end of the day some short squeeze with bears being forced to cover heavily. GameStop was one of the names with the stock going up more than 100%. We highlighted, I saw bullish options activity on those calls, 50 strike at $4. They gone for more than $50. So basically $400 bet for more than 5k. It was pretty much insane. But let's look into the chart, see where we stand. What was the action today, starting with the SPY. Honestly, I was not expecting such a big move. One of the examples is small caps. I was looking here around 226 for a fading. I got actually some puts playing for a possible fading. And why? There is a reason, okay? There is a reason for me to getting trades. It was because I was looking for a possible fading here, okay? At this level around 226 to fade back into the 8-day moving average around 224. It would be a $2 scalp for downside, and that's why I jump into those puts. I held that hedge. It was a small hedge. That I start heading here, I had again here, and I decided to close basically with a small paper cut because it was a small edge, as I've told you, and it didn't work. What does this mean? It means that bulls really got active, so they are pushing for a big short covering rally, and we saw today at the end of the day on some of the names. Also Apple, one of the names, they try to keep Apple below 125. 125 is where the short squeeze triggers. So close, looking for small caps, close near the highs, 227. Once again, I was not expecting this kind. After yesterday reversal, I was looking for, when I saw that market push up, I was looking for a possible fading here, rejected at the 8-day moving average. Didn't happen. They push above the 8-day moving average. Here, I was looking for a retest. Didn't happen. So they push back up. So it means that bulls are very active here, buying the dip and forcing shorts to cover. So let's not fight that. Now what? Looking for small caps, pretty much bullish as hell, okay? While we are above 224, once again, I tried several times to play a possible fade. It didn't happen. Holding above 224 keeps the ball for the bull case, needs above 227.4. And what we have next? 229, $230. And if we are able to break above that, it will be a major short squeeze. Bears will throw the towel out, and they will be spanked hard. Will it happen? No clue. Okay, sorry, but no clue, because no one really knows. Okay, no one can predict what the hell is going to happen next. Yes, we break above one of the key levels, 226. I was looking once again, okay, I was looking for a fading here around 226. Didn't happen, close at 227. Tomorrow, staying open-minded, that's why I'm staying cash overnight, because I prefer to wait to see how the market will open tomorrow. If we open with a gap up around 229, 230, will it fade to fill the gap and then we can have a scalp short, or it will be a gap and go? Or are we going to open at above 227, fade below 224, go back into $220, 21-day moving average? No one really knows, okay? So right now, ball back on the bull camp. What we had a correction, same thing as here, we had a correction, what happened next? Boom, back up, correction, boom, back up, correction. Will it happen this time, or it will be different? Once again, history says that we resume back into new all-time highs. Let's wait, staying open-minded to see what the hell is going to happen next. Looking for SPY, exactly the same thing. Correction, boom, new highs, correction, new highs, correction, recovered 21, recovered the 8th day. Once again, I was not expecting such a fast recovery here, but the pressure is on the short side. Because they will be forced to cover the position, and that will give fuel for the market to go into new all-time highs. And they got trapped today. They tried to shake the tree here. They held 385. If you remember, one of the levels that I gave you before the market open was 385. They held 385, push, make new highs on the day, push back into the 8-day moving average at 389, and above that 392. So basically back into last week 392. Amazing, but it is what it is. So we are very near once again to go into new all-time highs. Amazing how these kind of moves. We are having V bottoms, okay, V bottoms, and it's the game that we have. But I'm going with open-minded above 392. 394. Above that we can squeeze all the way into 398, $400. No one really knows where the hell this is going to stop. Let's play the game while we can. Looking for the cubes are lagging a bit more, but once again bears try to shake. We had a kind of bullish inverse and head and shoulders here intraday on the cubes, gone back up near the highs, yesterday highs, faded here. I saw this fading at 323. They bounce back up and push and close above yesterday highs. So really bullish action here on the market. But the cubes are still lagging. We have been seeing power on SPY and on small caps, but the cubes are lagging, also on the Dow Jones, but the cubes are lagging. What they need to push price above 327, fill the gap at $330, and go back into $333 plus. So that's if we are going to play catch up, watch out for a big short squeeze ahead. Apple, we need the leader, okay, one of the leaders. Apple needs to go above 125, 126. Why? Above that we have 128, $129. We have a gap to fill at 132. So staying long versus today lows. Bears try to shake things after the market opens. So $122 is the first key support. Next key support 121.18. But if we go above yesterday highs of today, above 126, watch out for a big $3 squeeze in my opinion. AMD, it was a beauty today. I got calls early in the morning. No one had an idea why the hell did I got calls. I was seeing bullish options activity on the name. I saw that yesterday we had a bullish reversal candle. Bears try here twice to strike, but we made a higher low, so I decided to jump into some calls 85 strike 70 cents, and what can I say, those calls 85 are at $2.50. So basically more than 3-4 times the money here on those calls. Once again, I trade for a living, I trade for cash flow, I jump into those calls, I had position, I had size to my position. So what means? It means that I'm loading up, I'm getting heavy on those calls, and I'm scalping it. Okay, so I get in, get out, and I generated my cash flow for the day. Very happy with the profits, and very happy to see that it continues up. The target was $87. I've been telling, look for $87. Okay, $87 was the target. High of the day, 87.09. So basically I missed by 9 cents on a $87 stock. So cannot get much better than this. Okay, so now what? Above 87 we have 88, $89, $90 is the big wall. Above $90, watch out, goes back into 94. 94 is the next big level. So let's see, and keeping the stock on the watch list if we can get some more. Amazon today inside day, okay, inside day. What does this mean? It means can go both ways, okay, but if market is strong and if we go above 3200, watch out, we have gap to fill 3245. We can go from 3200, $50 or even $100 very fast here if we have a big short squeeze. So stay open-minded for that possible scenario. Boeing, it was one of the best movers today, and if you remember yesterday, okay, I gave here calls playing for upside, okay, and no one had understood why market was down. Boeing was also red on the day. Why the hell I was getting calls? Right now you have here the answer, okay. Basically, bears try to shake the tree, push back above the 21-day moving average, okay, close near the highs of the day. Today, out of the gate, I gave calls once again. Trade ID, go check trade ID early in the morning, gave calls 210 strike, playing for a scalp, okay, from 210 all the way to 229. So those calls basically 4-5 times very fast. So I'm very happy to have received some comments. One of the traders 500% profits on the Boeing calls. Congratulations, huge run, congratulations, and very happy to help. Now what, after this such an increased move, you trim profits, okay, not saying that the stock will fall apart. No, after this, especially 30 million shares here on the stock. So very heavy volume here buying the breakout. But once again, can it go? Yes, can go into $300. Okay, for those that are with me for longer know that last year, okay, let's put the chart. Okay, last year we were here, and I was saying long. Boeing, it gone all the way from $140 all the way to 240. So can this go? Look for the last time we break out. Here. Can go back into $240. Yes, it can, okay? But for my own risk management perspective, I don't like to chase. I like to see and get the day one on the move, and day one was yesterday, okay, that's why yesterday I gave calls. Today, once again, day two, you get day one or day two out of the gate, I gave calls once again, boom. Now you trim profits. We had day one yesterday, the day two today, we are going into day three tomorrow. If extends, you trim profits, raise your stops, adjust and manage your risk. You keep rolling. One of the things that I've been telling in Boeing, in the AMD, and you saw GameStop. We are going to GameStop. GameStop after hours, $115. Okay, let's look here. Look for GameStop. Amazing. Okay, I gave you the book here on the trading plan. They started loading on calls 50 strike. Okay, calls 50 strike here. Okay, calls 50 strike. I've been telling over and over again what was their roadmap. They were rolling up those contracts, going from 50 strike all the way into the 60 strike. See where the stock stopped. 60 strike. After that, I said 65, 70. I was seeing 80s and $100. Now what? $120 plus. So insane, okay? It's really insane, but it's the kind of market that we have. I receive also lots of comments here from the trade. Very happy to see that traders made basically. I had a trader that made more profits today on this trade on GameStop that the last quarter of their trading. So these kind of trades make all of the difference. Okay, so congratulations to all the traders. Now what? Where can this go? No clue. Can it go fill the gap? Yes, it can. Why not? Why not? I don't see any reason why not. Okay, but I'm not chasing. Because the day one was today, on this kind of move you take profits. Okay, can it go? Yes, it can. Can it fill the gap? Yes, it can. Why not? But I'm not chasing the trade. Congratulations to everyone. Okay, so basically another one, X today, early in the morning, gave calls, and it was a tricky place. I get over and over again, and I book my profits and just to see it go and closing at the eyes of the day. So it happens. Basically, those calls 40 cents gone for $1. So congratulations to all the traders that got into the trade with me. Another one, it was a beautiful. Okay, early in the morning I said that I was scalping BB shares. Okay, at $10.40. I closed here. Okay, I closed here for more than $1 profit, so I'm good. Okay, so also received one of the traders that got into that trade with me, so congratulations everyone. It has not been easy. Okay, it has not been easy, but we have what matters. Once again, did I close too soon? Yes. My size, it's different from yours. Yours can be bigger or smaller than my size on each trade. Okay, so when I book 30, 40, 50% profits, okay, for me it's okay because I trade for a living. I have my target for cash flow for the day, for the week, for the month. Okay, so once again, I set my goals, I get in, ride the momentum, trim profits on the way, get out sometimes, get back in once again, and that's the way I look to generate cash flow. But that's my own trading. Okay, that's my own style. But I'm very happy to see traders that, based on the ideas that I gave, for example, on GameStop, go review please all the GameStop posts that I made. Go to Discord channel, trade ideas, go search for GME. Okay, search there, and what you will find is the roadmap time stamped. Okay, it's not after the fact. Okay, the damn stock is right now at $120 after hours. Okay, it's not after the fact. Okay, it's time stamped on Discord. Go check Discord, understand the roadmap, see options activity. Every single post that I made on GameStop was on options activity. I saw live. If I saw, you can see it. You look into the chain and you see that they are rolling the contracts from one strike to the next one and from the next to the next one. So they keep rolling. What does this mean? It means that they are forcing, and that's why I said that we have here a short squeeze and gamma chasing. Why? Because market makers joined the party, okay, and they need to hedge their books, okay, so they need to buy shares, so they bring more fuel to the game. Simple as that, okay. I don't have any clue why the hell GameStop jumped. Not sure if news. It does not matter. Okay, I don't care if it's news or something like that. For me, if it's news, okay, not news, okay, it's the same. The damn stock is $120 after hours. Okay, so if you got long on those contracts, what to do? You have something that you can do right now after hours. You can book your profits on those contracts, okay? You sell the shorts, you short the stock, you sell shares on GameStop at $120 and exercise the calls 50 strike, okay? And you book the profits for yourself and you go sleep. Even if tomorrow GameStop fell apart, you go sleep with very nice full pockets of money. Okay, so that's a way you can exercise those calls by shorting the stock and exercising the calls. Okay, so that's a way to manage right now your position. So congratulations to all the traders. I try to. There is no magic formula. Everyone is looking for a magical formula. There is no magical formula for trading. You have to be patient. You have to work hard every day. You have to build your trading plan on your mind. That's why I get up very early every single day. I try to prepare my day. Lots and lots of hours that I have to to prepare the day, and trying to build if then else scenarios on my head. And when the market open, try to see where the flow is going, how the stock is behaving, options activity, try to balance everything. And if I see all the pieces coming together, I jump into those calls. If market getting very tricky, not moving right away, so sometimes I need to add some more size, and I had some more size, scalp it, book the profits, and I'm out. Okay, so that's the way I do it. Okay, and for those that like to swing long, I give trading ideas for swing longs, and keep making every single day updates at trade ideas, so you can book your profits and you can keep rolling the trade up, as we saw here on GameStop. And one of the traders, congratulations, my friend, you have more profits. You made more profits today on GameStop today versus all the last quarter. Congratulations, very happy for you. Protect your money, protect your cash, enjoy, have fun. You deserve it. Go with family, friends, whatever. Stay safe, do the COVID, but enjoy your money. Takes the rest of the week off to clear the brain, clear, and don't protect your money, okay? Because like days like this helps you generate enough cash flow, because not every single day we are going to win on this market. Okay, we have days that we are going to have some paper cuts, some losses, some heavy losses, and right now what matters is generate cash flow, enough cash flow for when we get hit, and we are going to get hit. Every single trader on this market is going to get it one day. Okay, we can have green day every single day, but it will come one day and we will get hit, and we will get hit hard. Okay, so you need to generate the cash flow for that day, that you will give some of the profits, and you will get some of the profits out. You will lose some money, but you are able to generate enough cash flow, enough money to compensate that loss that we are going to get it. For example, on GME, they kept rolling calls up, but it will take a place that this will not go into the moon forever. Okay, so one of the rolls they are making, it will not work. Okay, so they will lose it. But who cares? They have been rolling from the call 50 strike all the way into the 60 strike, 65, 80 strike, 85 strike, 100 strike. And they keep rolling up. So even if the last strike they lose it, they have been making a lot of money in every single strike, rolling from one strike to the other and playing the upside. So that's the way I see trading, and I hope this helped you. So video getting too much extended. We need to rest. Wish you all a great evening. Stay safe. Thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great evening, and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye everyone. See you.